Other editors ask me all the time how much storage I use for my projects, and then what do I do with that final source material when I'm completed? The project's done and finalized. The answer is simple. I use one 500 gig external drive, and then I always media manage that down and send it up to the cloud. It's pretty great though when you consider if you're going to have an investigation that's going to have a follow-up, or there's a major event like a tornado or something like that there's going to be a 1, 5, and 10-year type anniversary stories, so you can access it later on the cloud. Here's how I manage my projects in Premiere Pro. Once a project is done and finalized, I click File and go all the way down to Project Manager. I choose my list of sequences I want to include. You will have to choose any nested sequences to keep them included. In the middle of the window, under Resulting Project, you can collect files and copy to a new location, or consolidate and transcode, which means you'll have to decide if you want a source to be a sequence, individual clips. This option puts everything into the same codec. If you have a preset, you'll need to import it. I'm choosing Collect File and Copy to a new location. To the right, you'll find a huge space saver, which is Exclude Unused Clips. I do not bring in audio conform files or preview files. Those simply take up space and can be recreated when you open the Manage the Project. The next step is to choose a location to save your project. I already have a folder called Premiere Media Management. At the bottom of the window, here's where you can see what the original project size was, which was 9 gigs. And we're managing it down to 2 gigs. That's a huge space saver, especially when uploading it to the cloud. Open your Flight app, drag and drop the consolidated library onto the Flight app. I also choose just one metadata form. That way every file is the same, and press Start. When the upload is finished, go to Pilot and make sure everything is there. Now, just go and delete everything from your system. I hope this helps, and happy latakooing.